Hi guys, in this video we are just gonna unbox the GoPro 5. So the video was shot about 3 years ago in 2018 when this GoPro was purchased, and I never got the chance to upload this video, and it's very close to my heart because this was my first GoPro and first best one of the good cameras which I could buy back then, and surely it has a lot of memories linked with it because I have taken it to Mumbai and different places of India and recorded hundreds of videos using it. So yeah, it's pretty dear to me, and it was quite exciting moment to unbox this. And as we unbox this, I remember how big it was. It was pain to open that top latch or the cover of it. I didn't even check the documentation, the things which it comes with, the instructions, and I was opening it with the scissor because I was too afraid that too much of pressure would break it. And it looked gorgeous. The packing was gorgeous, and even now the GoPro comes in a very good packing, and it comes with this external cover, and then there is this plastic cover which it comes with, and it contains all these stickers and instructions. So, and the battery as well. So quite a few things comes with it, and this is quite funny. You break it and we will get you a new one. So yeah, just shows how confident they are about their product and the sturdiness of the product. So that's quite impressive. And I did by mistake, it used to fall down from my hands, and it happened multiple times, and it is still working perfectly fine. And it has good grip as well, which helps a lot because holding it is very smooth. It won't fall down easily, which is not the case with GoPro 7. And it comes with these red stickers which you can use for sticking your GoPro with your on your helmet or your car or your bike, wherever you want to have that. And yes, so that part now comes wherein I was struggling to open that top cover, and after trying with my thumb for a while, and I finally gave up and used the scissor instead, and it worked like charm for me. It was a quick hack, but it was quite funny uh, back then that why it is not opening, and quite strange as well. But seeing this now after years, now it looks pretty funny that okay, I didn't read the instructions properly, so I just couldn't open it. Yeah, but it's pretty exciting to have this camera because of its size. It's such a small camera, yet it's so functional, so powerful, that you will always fall in love with this camera. And being the first GoPro, it's always special. And as you can see, I'm just trying to open it, but it's not opening. Just too afraid to break it. Just too afraid. And and then the quick brain would just get the scissor and it will just open it. It's quite interesting to observe, how you would try to open that using whatever tools you have around you. And here comes the master stroke. And it did open. So that was a relief that it finally opened. I was so happy that I can finally take it out and start using it. So this video reminds me of how a GoPro, or any, how anyone who is trying the device for the first time, how that person explores their digital devices. You take baby steps. You try to understand what is that device about, what are the different latches, what are the different screws, what are the different parts of the device which you have to use in order to make it functional. Um, so I was enjoying watching this, and I thought let's make a video of this, to see how it all happened. It's been 3 years and I never got a chance to even see this, and I was just going through the old videos, and voila, I just found this video, and I thought let's make this video public and let people see the GoPro 5, which is not available in the market these days, because the GoPro 9 is pretty awesome, and it's there in the market. So everyone is just going after that, or 8 or 7, but definitely not 5. But if you will get a good deal on maybe ebay.com or OLX, then pretty sure it's a good buy, and definitely it's working perfectly fine even now after 3 years. So yeah, this is the battery which it came with. You just have to insert that. Yeah, it seemed to be rocket science back then, when you don't know how to insert the battery as well. Very funny, very very funny. And finally it did work, after inserting that and switching on the camera. One of the things which I discovered quite late was that you shouldn't really use the top uh, power button if you want to change the menu. For that, you will always have to uh, press the button which is on the right side of your camera. That actually helps you in navigating through the menus. Since I didn't read the documentation or the instructions, I I learned by exploring that. So it's it's good to read instructions, as it saves a lot of time and hassle and mental peace. So yeah, always try that. I didn't do it, and it worked fine for me. Just that at times I lost some opportunities to record few videos when I had to switch the mode, but then it's fine. And this was the first boot of the GoPro, and yes, it was good. It was good. Here we will be setting some basic settings, like time, date. That is the important stuff. So that was about the GoPro, and hopefully you will enjoy the rest of the video. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.